guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a new ThredUp unboxing, but this is a little bit unique, and I don't know how new this is, but it's called the ThredUp Goody box. And basically they look at your history. You can like favorite some of your favorite things on ThredUp, and if you're not familiar with ThredUp, it's basically an online consignment shop. And there is a large variety of different sizes and different styles, and I love it because I can just kind of put in the search engine my size and what I'm looking for specifically, whether it be a formal dress or a pair of pants or a shirt. You can really narrow down your search and find exactly what you're looking for. So I was really excited to try the ThredUp Goody box because basically they look in your history. You can favorite, things that you like throughout the year. Or I just actually went and just favorited a bunch of stuff that I liked for this fall, and they put together a box of various stuff for you. So here is the box. It just came in the mail yesterday, and it says, "Hooray, your goodies are here." Really, really cute packaging, always by ThredUp, which I really like. And little disclaimer, I am not sponsored at all in any way by ThredUp, but I do have a coupon code in the description below if you want to give it a try yourself. So I'm excited to open this up. It kind of has like a Stitch Fix kind of feel to it, where you have a stylist that actually puts together a bunch of stuff for you, and you only pay for what you keep, and then you send the rest back. So let's go ahead and open up this box and see what they sent me. Okay, so just a little thank you for your order note, and it looks like it lists everything that's in here, but I don't want to read it because I actually just want to see everything that's in here before I go ahead and look at the prices and things like that. And then this is something new to me. I never got a little bag before. Okay, so this is just the return address label, which is great. So anything that I don't want to keep, I can just go ahead and return that to them, and I believe it's free of charge, which is great. So you only pay for what you would like to keep. And I'll just show you the inside. They always package everything so nicely. Everything's wrapped up in tissue paper. So I'm gonna start unwrapping and see what I have. Feels like there's a lot of stuff in here. This is a really heavy box. So I'm excited to see what they sent me. Okay, the first thing that we have here is this really pretty top by Ann Taylor. And I'll probably go ahead and try all of this on as well so you guys could see actually what it looks like on. But a really pretty, just like a white chiffon kind of a top, very lightweight, and it is petite, which is nice. It looks a little bit long to me, but we will certainly give it a try and see how it looks on. Okay, and then here is a light sweater by Central Park West. And it's kind of like a high-low, like it goes up higher in the middle and then it gets longer on the sides. It's a really pretty like oatmeal color, so I like that. I love denim jackets. I wear them a lot, even in the summer. I like to wear them like over sundresses, but especially into the fall months. And this one is by Gap, and it's a nice denim jacket, and it's like a darker wash, which I like, and the tags are still on it, so that's really nice too. The tagged price is $60, so this has never been worn. It's nice when you can find items that are like new with tags, so I like it. So far so good. I'm really liking everything that I see here. All right, and here is a pair of jeans. These actually look like they will fit me, and they're really cute. Very nice. I did tell them in my description, I'm kind of like a mom on the go. I like to dress casual, but I also like to look well put together at the same time. So I do wear a lot of denim, but I just like to have a nice top with it or some accessories or whatever. So they definitely listened to my request. And here's another pair of really cute jeans. Very nice. These are by Paige. Make sure they got my size right. Very cute. So these are really cute too. I'm excited to try everything on. Okay, this is another nice top. This looks, okay, it's by Lavender Brown. And again, the tags are still on it. The ticketed price is $140. And it looks like an off-the-shoulder gray flowy top. I love gray. And I love the bell sleeves. Really, really pretty. Another gray top. I must have told them that I like to wear gray because they sent me like a couple of gray tops. This looks like it might be a cardigan. Yep, International Concepts cardigan, and just a very basic long gray cardigan. It's really soft. Cardigans are always great for the fall, especially when you're like layering, you're trying to stay warm or you're trying to cool off. The weather is pretty unpredictable this time of year, so I love layering my outfits, and having a cardigan like that is perfect. Looks like more outerwear here. And oh, this is weird. I thought this was gonna be like a long rain jacket, but it's actually like a short, it almost looks like a rain jacket. It's by Laundry, and it's really cute as well. It's like a kind of like a crop top jacket. Wow, they sent me so many jeans. I told them I like to wear jeans, but I didn't expect to receive 4 pairs. But I guess that's a good thing because it gives me lots of options, and I likely will not keep them all because I don't really need that many jeans, but we'll see how they fit. So this one is by Current Elliott. That's a new name to me. And it does look like it's been worn. It's definitely, you know, faded and feels like it's been washed and worn many times. But very cute jeans, and another pair of very cute jeans. And these are another pair by AG. I have another pair in there as well by AG. And these are like skinny jeans, so they have a little bit of a stretch to them. And that is everything that they sent me. This was really exciting to receive this little goodie box, and I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on now and see how I like it. Before I start trying on, I thought I would just quickly show you everything laid out. It looks like they put together 4 outfits for me. So I laid them all out, paired up as outfits, and it's basically 4 pairs of jeans with 4 tops. And my only gripe is I smell smoke. Like, we are a non-smoking home, and I can just really smell when smoke is in things. And it could only be one article of clothing that came from a smoker's home, and that kind of would contaminate the rest of the box in a way. So yeah, that's my only gripe, because I am sensitive to that, being a non-smoker. But I'm gonna go ahead and try all of these outfits on and see how I make out. Okay, so this shirt is by Ann Taylor Loft, and the normal price on it was $55, and this is $25.99. And it's okay. It's a little bit, like, I feel like it's kind of boxy and big on me. And all of the jeans were about $25, give or take. So they're like $22, $26. So I'm not gonna tell you exactly the price of each pair of jeans, but these jeans are okay. They're a little bit snug, but I feel like they are comfortable. They're not too tight around the waist. They're just very fitted. So this is outfit number 1. And I'll just show you the jeans. They're more of like a faded look, and the actual hem of the jeans is like a little bit frayed. Has that frayed look to it. I think you might need to cuff it. That might be the way to go. I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, so that is outfit number 1. And then here is that Gap jacket. The normal price on this was $59.99, and it is $20.99. So I like this jacket. It's really cute, but I kind of have a feeling that this is where the smoke smell is coming from. So that's my only, you know, disappointment in this. But I could probably wash it out if I decide to keep this denim jacket. The sleeves are a little bit long on it, but I really like it. I think it's cute. Okay, here's outfit number 2. I'm really not loving this shirt. It's just very, I like flouncy usually, but I feel like it just makes everything look bigger in here. I don't know, it's just kind of a weird cut to me. I'm not loving the top. Plus, this shirt definitely smells like smoke, like really bad. I feel like I want to shower when I take it off. So that is kind of my feelings on this sweater, but let me show you the jeans. So these jeans I really love. They're super comfortable. They fit perfect. They're kind of like a skinny jean. They're a little bit stretchy. I like how they're faded just slightly, not too much. They don't look like they're, you know, too light. I like to have a little bit of a darker jean in the winter months, and it fits perfectly to my ankles, which is not common for me because I usually have a hard time at getting jeans that aren't way too long on me. So the jeans I love. I'm definitely going to keep the jeans, but this shirt is going to go back. Okay, so this is outfit number 3, and it's by a company called Lavender Brown, and the price of this top is $39. Yeah, it's $38.99. It's cute. I do like the bell sleeves. I like the off-the-shoulder look. It is really big and flowy, but it's very comfortable. I just don't know if I would spend $39 on a consignment shop kind of shirt. I don't know, I just feel like that's kind of expensive, but it is super cute. I probably wouldn't spend $27 on, you know, a shirt like that, especially since it smelled like smoke. And then another cute pair of jeans that I really like. Again, the length is perfect on me. The waistline is perfect. They're a little bit lighter than I typically would wear in the fall, but I think they're really cute. I like them a lot. And all of the jeans are listed for about $167 to $200 regular price. So I don't know how true that is. I've never really spent that kind of money on jeans before, but that's what they're listed for, and they're all about 25 bucks. So if that is the truth, that's a pretty good price on these jeans, and they really fit well and are super comfortable. I'm keeping the jeans definitely. Okay, so here's the cardigan. It's by International Concepts, and it's $24, and I'm just wearing it over the Ann Taylor sleeveless top, which was $26, I think, $27, $26.99, something like that. I like the cardigan. It's simple, basic gray. I'm sure I would use it lots. I'm not sure if I would wear it over this shirt though. I feel like I need to talk to Stacy from What Not to Wear. Did you guys ever watch that show? I love that show so much. I'm not sure if you could do like a ruffle underneath a cardigan. Is that like one of those things that doesn't make sense or doesn't look right? I don't know. But I do like the cardigan, and again, another great pair of jeans that I'll show you guys. So here are the jeans, very comfortable. I guess what I'm learning from this experience is if you've always wanted those super expensive $200 jeans, go to ThredUp and you can get them for like 25 bucks and they're already worn in and super comfortable. So I'm really happy with all of the jeans. I think I'm going to keep most of them. Maybe I'll return like one pair, but they're all really comfortable and they're really nice and very expensive jeans, and they're pretty cheap. So definitely keeping the jeans. Here is that little jacket from Laundry. It's normally $250 and they're selling it for $33.99. It looks silly over this shirt, I know. I'm really not sure what to wear it with. Like, it's really comfortable, very nicely made. I think it's really cute, but even when I like tuck this shirt in, or even if I just had a normal shirt, like look at how weird that looks. So I don't know, I mean, maybe I could wear this over a dress of sorts. I'm not sure what to pair this with. I do really like it though. I like the structure of it. It's, you know, it fits very well. So unless I can find something to pair this with, I don't think I'll be keeping it, even though it is really cute. I don't know how to wear it properly. So that is the last item that I'm trying on today. Now I'm gonna go through and take my time and decide what I should keep and what I should send. Okay, so I've gone through everything and this is my keep pile. I just thought I would show you guys the pricing on things if you want to take a quick look just to see the types of savings that you can receive by purchasing through, you know, a consignment type of store like this. You can see it's all pretty expensive stuff. Like, I would never spend this kind of money on clothing, and everything was discounted, you know, by a substantial amount. So I am keeping the gray cardigan, the Gap denim jacket, because it is only $20, and although I do have a denim jacket, I actually have two. They are the very light denim wash, and this is nice and dark for the fall. And then I am keeping 3 pairs of jeans, and they're 3 different shades. It's a lighter pair, like a medium shade, and then there's the dark wash. So those are really nice and very comfortable. And then I'm going to return one of the pairs of jeans. It's actually the one that was like kind of frayed at the bottom. And I am also returning this sweater that smelled really bad like smoke, and I just didn't like the way that it looked on me anyway. I'm going to also return this gray top. It was really cute. It was a little bit big on me, and it was more money than I would like to spend on consignment. And then I'm also going to be returning this white top because I really don't have anything to wear it with. I just don't think it looks right under the cardigan, so that's going back. And the same goes for this jacket. I'm going to be returning it because it's almost like a crop top, and for outerwear that just doesn't work for me. I like to have something a little bit longer for my outerwear, not like a really short jacket. So that is how I made out, and it was a really good experience. I'm glad that I gave it a try, and it was a lot of fun. It's a great way to have a stylist put together outfits for you and know that they're not going to be super expensive. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox all of this clothing that ThredUp sent out to me in the goodie box. Again, it was really a lot of fun seeing what the stylist put together. Way less expensive than doing the whole Stitch Fix thing. And I like that they send you so much and you have the option of sending back whatever you're not keeping. So I really love this idea. Thank you again for watching, and if you enjoy these types of videos, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram, and I would love to have you subscribe. I have a lot of really fun stuff on my channel, and coming up into the fall months, I love to share lots of Halloween stuff. I usually share some ghost stories and organizing, cleaning, travel, Disney, parenting, and just motherhood, and a lot of fun things here on my channel. So I really hope that you'll go ahead and subscribe. Have a great week, guys, and take care. Bye.